Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar is in Iran attending the 28th meeting of the Economic Cooperation Organization Council of Ministers. Upon arriving in Mashhad, he was welcomed by Razavi, Khorasan Vice Governor Muhammad Ali Nabipour, and Pakistan's Ambassador Mudassir Tibu. During a bilateral meeting with Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi on the sidelines of the ECO summit, the two leaders exchanged views on regional and global developments and agreed to strengthen cooperation across all sectors. At the ministerial meeting, Dar is set to sign the charter for the ECO Clean Energy Center, reinforcing Pakistan's commitment to sustainable energy initiatives. In his address, the Deputy PM will reaffirm Pakistan's dedication to the ECO charter and advocate for enhanced connectivity within the region. Key priorities include developing road and rail networks, streamlining border procedures, and liberalizing visa regimes to promote economic and social integration among ECO member states.